Okay, we got a brown and Sharpe machine here. Just going to show you around. Here's the power on and off switches. That thing wants to shoot ahead, so you gotta tilt it a little bit. Okay, and right here we have our switches for the hydraulic pump and the spindle. But first I'm going to show you this. You can manually operate this. You can manually operate the head back and forth. And you can manually operate it up and down. But here is a spindle switch. That works fine. And the hydraulics. Now this lever right here is where it controls the back and forth motion. You can control the speed by this lever. If you put that straight in, then down here, these switches, if you turn this one all the way to the back and push this one back, your head moves back and forth faster. That's the high speed. If you flip this switch the other way, then it moves your head back and forth slow. Now if you put it straight up, and this knob right here, if you crank it in, the head moves slower. If you turn it out, it moves faster. Then if you run the table back and forth, you flip this back, every cycle moves your head back a little way. Flip it forward, it comes forward. Then you turn this in, it moves less every time. Makes your head move slower. And we shut the table off, and we can move the head. This here is for your magnetic table. That makes a magnet. If you turn it the other way, it releases. Works great. Okay, thanks for watching the video.